That is, write 3 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime number between them. What is the number of composite number? Composite number means which have more than two factors. That is, one number itself and more than two factors. 3, 4, 5, etc. These are known as composite numbers. And consecutive means the next one. Suppose one number is x, the next composite number will be x plus 1. That is, if the x is equal to 90, then consecutive number will be 90 plus 1, 91. Next consecutive number is 90 plus 91 plus 1, 92. Right? Like this. Now write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime number. Let us write from 90. Right? I am writing here 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. Now you have to take consecutive numbers less than 100, but there are 7 consecutive numbers. Let us take 90. It is a composite number. If we take 90, it is a composite number. It has more than two factors. 91, it is also a composite number. 92, it is also a composite number because it has more than two factors, 1 and the number itself. 93, it is also a composite number. 94, it is also a composite number. 95, it is also a composite number. 96, it is also a composite number. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? And these are less than 100 also. Right? Therefore, write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime number between them. And you see, there is no prime number between them. Right? Therefore, the 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 are 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 and 96. These are the 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 and there is no prime number between them. You see, there is no prime number between them. This is the solution of question number 9.